Good morning, class. Today we are going to start binary operators. That binary operators are the operator which works with two operands. Binary operators are divided into different categories. The first one is mathematical operators. Mathematical operators. The first mathematical operator is that plus. The second is minus. Third one is multiplication. Fourth one is, this is called floating division. Fifth one is, this is called integer division. And sixth one is mod. Now that's plus is a addition. Its work as C is equal 10 plus 20. Now this will add two values, this will return 30. Minus is a simple minus operator which returns the subtraction of two numbers. This is called multiplication. C is equal say 20 into 10, that results in 200. Now what is this? This is called floating division. Floating division means if we are going to divide any 5 divided by 2, this will return 2.5. But if you want if you want to calculate only the integer division, then 5 divided by 2, double divided by 2, this is called integer division. This will return only 2. So this is called float division, that returns in decimal values, and this is called integer division which returns value in integer only. This is called mod. Percentage sign denotes mod. This returns the modulus. For example, if you are going to divide 5 mod 2, it will return the quotient part of the remainder part of the division. For example, if you are going to divide 5 divided by 2, if you 2 to the 4, remainder is 1. This percentage sign returns the remainder, the resultant will be 1. So that mathematical operators are binary operators in which we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, floating division, and this is called integer division, and this is called modulus operator. The another type of operator are called as relational operator. Relational operators are the operators which make the relation between two data values. For example, if we have two data values 10 and 20, so we can define the relation between two data values by using relational operator. This is called relational operator. This means 10 is greater than 20. So we have different number of relational operators. Say this is called greater than, this is less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to, this is equivalent, this is called equals to operator, this is not equals to operator. This particular operator check whether the number is greater than or not. This operator check whether the number is less than or not. This is greater than equals to, it will return true or false value if the number is greater or equals to. This returns the true value if the number is less than equals to. This returns the true value if the number is equivalent, and this will return the value, true value, if the number is not equals to the given number. Relational operators are also called as Boolean resultant operators, because all relational operator results in either true value or false value. That's why all Boolean relational operators are called as Boolean resultant operators. So this operator check whether the number is greater than or not, this operator check whether less than or not, this checks whether the number is greater than or equals to no. This will check less than equals to, this will check equivalent, and this will check not equals to. For example, if the value of A is 10 and B is 20, then if we compare A is greater than B, this will result in false value. Similarly, if we compare A is less than B, the value of A is 10, B is 20, this will result in true value. So relational operators are the operator by which we can compare two values, and these are also called as Boolean resultant operators. The another binary operator is logical operators. We have two logical operators, one is AND, another one is OR. This AND means that simple, this is a logical operator by which we can combine two relational expressions. For example, if we have if you want to check whether whether a given number x is in between a and b, within a limit a and b, so how can we check? We have to check whether x is less than equals to b, x is greater than equals to x, greater than equals to a. The given number x will within this range if the value of x is less than equals to b and value of x is greater than equals to b. So this means if this number x exists in this range, then both the given condition has to satisfy. So AND is like the condition, this is condition A and this is condition B. So the condition for A and B and the resultant is R. If the condition A is true, B is true, then the resultant will be true. Otherwise, if A is true, B is false, resultant will be false. If A is false, B is true, resultant will false. If both the condition false, then the resultant will be false. For example, if x is 10, value of A is 1 and B is 2, then now condition will be 10 is less than equals to B, B is 2 and 10 is greater than equals to 1. Now greater than equals to 1 is true and x value of 10 is less than equals to b, that is false. Now using truth table, false and true becomes false. This means this particular number 10 is not within this range 1 to 2. So AND operator is used to join two relational expressions in such a way that the given conditions so the AND operator returns true if all the given conditions are true. And OR returns false if all the given conditions are false. So in case of OR, if one of the given condition is true, the resultant will be true. But in the case of AND, if all the conditions are true, only it will return true, otherwise it will return false. This means in case of AND, if one of the given condition is false, then resultant will be false. And in OR, if one of the given conditions is true, the resultant will be true. The another binary operator is combinational operator. These are also called as shorthand operators. These operators are plus is equal, minus equal, divide is equal, mod is equal, multiply is equal. The plus is equal means, for example, is if we write a plus equals 10, this will calculate it as a is equal a plus 10. Minus is equal is a minus 10 is equal 10 is a is equal a minus 10. A divide is equal 10 means a is equal a divided by 10. A mod is equal means a is equal a mod 10. And a multiply is equal to means a is equal a multiply by 2. This means that these are the shorthand operators which can be written as like this, and in both the cases the resultant will be same. The another binary operator is assignment operator. Assignment operator. Equal is called as assignment operator. That simple is equal a is equal b plus c. That simple assignment operator assigns the value of right hand side to the left hand operator. That simple, in other words, we can say equal operator is used to make an equation. But in case of Python or in programming language, the format is variable is equal expression. That's simple. For a valid equation, or valid expression in Python, this should be followed. That simple, we always assign our expression value into a variable. We can't assign expression is equal variable. This is wrong. We can't assign a variable value into expression, but we can assign the value of expression into a variable. So this means we can write x is equals to a plus b, but we can't write a plus b is equals to x. The associativity of assignment operator is right to left. This means in expression you have to solve the right hand side expression first, then you can assign the value into a variable. So a is equal b plus c, in which the associativity of this assignment operator is right to left. This means first you have to calculate the value of right hand side expression, then assign the value into a variable. So these are the binary operators in Python. So it's enough for today, and next we will see the programming part of the Python. So thank you very much.